Good morning. Welcome to Current SCEM World. In this, let us solve a problem asked in IIT JAM exam. Hydrolysis of 15.45 gram of benzonitrile produced 10.98 gram of benzoic acid. Calculate the percentage yield of benzoic acid formed. Okay. Let us write the reaction involved. In this problem, benzonitrile is converted into benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is prepared from benzonitrile by hydrolysis with the removal of ammonia molecule. Okay. So according to this reaction, 1 mole of benzonitrile gives 1 mole of benzoic acid. So the molecular weight of benzonitrile is equal to 103 gram. The molecular weight of benzoic acid is equal to 122 gram. Sum of atomic masses of various elements present in the molecule gives the molecular weight. Okay. For example, C6H5COH, C6H5Cl. So there are 7 carbon, 7 into 12, and then 5 into 1, 5 hydrogen, and these another carbons, 7 carbon, nitrogen 1 into 14 gives 103 gram. So according to this formula, according to this relation, 103 gram of benzonitrile gives 122 gram of benzoic acid. Therefore, so 103 gram of benzonitrile gives 122 gram of benzoic acid. Therefore, 1 gram, okay, 1 gram of benzonitrile gives how many grams of benzoic acid? Therefore, 122 divided by 103. And then in this problem, they have taken 15.45 gram of benzonitrile. They have taken 15 point. Therefore, 15.45 gram, 1 gram gives this much amount of benzoic acid. Then 15.45 gram benzonitrile gives, that is 122 by 103 into 15.45, that is equal to 18.3 gram. Okay. This is calculated according to theoretical equation, theoretical yield. But in practice, in experiment, the experimental yield is always less than theoretical yield. Now let us, the experimental yield, they have given the experimental yield. Therefore, what is the experimental yield? 10.98 gram. What is the theoretical yield? 18.3 gram. Now let us calculate the percentage yield of benzoic acid formed by using this formula, that is theoretical weight, numerator experimental yield into 100, because percentage. So theoretical yield is higher because 18.3, okay, based on 1 mole gives 1 mole of benzoic acid, and the experimental yield is less than the theoretical yield, because in experiment there will always be less yield and there will be unreacted reactant. Okay, this is equal to 60%. 60% yield of benzoic acid is equal to 60%. Thank you guys for watching.